And then once your awareness increases, your consciousness increases, you have better control in every situation of your life, not only the physical health, I'm saying.
एकदम से मेरा एनर्जी लेवल बूस्ट अप हो गया, मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मैंने 3 दिन से खाया नहीं। आई वाज लाइक रनिंग अराउंड द हाउस, टॉकिंग इन माय नॉर्मल टोन।
Ajay, how were you able to get over this medical fear? Because a lot of people have that कि मैं तो इतने सालों से मेडिसिन खा रहा हूँ, मैं अचानक छोड़ दें, इससे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है।
मैंने भी 10 साल तो खाया ना।
I think stress has come down.
If you continue these practices, a lot of new things will evolve which you have never even thought while joining the program.
मेरे को एकदम से फोकस आ गया सर। सो आई फेल्ट समथिंग गाइडेड इन मी व्हिच टोल्ड मी व्हाट शुड बी माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ फोकस।
Money raised the hand. Money is happy. Okay, Money. Share your happy experiences with the team.
नमस्कार सुमित। नमस्कार सुमित।
Namaskar. Yeah, go ahead.
So I'll be very honest and transparent of what has my journey been. पहले 3 दिन फूड फास्टिंग और उसके बाद के 2 दिन वाटर फास्टिंग। 5 दिन तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं फील हुआ, रादर इतनी रेजिस्टेंस फील हुई कि मन में बार-बार ये आता था क्या पंगा ले लिया, क्यों अच्छी खासी लाइफ चल रही थी यहाँ पंगा ले लिया। ठीक है, तो 5 दिन तो मैं इसी से जूझ रही थी, मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ। एंड बट ऑन सैटरडे I could see things turning in. So on Saturday what happened was मेरी एनर्जी लो हो गई। ऑब्वियसली 3 दिन से कुछ मतलब फूड भी नहीं गया था, 2 दिन से अंदर तो एनर्जी में तो डिप होना ही था। उसके साथ a lot of negative thoughts were coming to me. For the people who have given me pain in my life, उन लोग के चेहरे बार-बार दिमाग में आ रहे थे और जबकि मैं जितना कह रही थी कि नहीं सोचना वो उतना ज़्यादा आ रहे थे। और वो उस वजह से मेरा एंगर आ रहा था, मेरा मन कर रहा था कि अब एक बार ना उठाकर बोल दूं कि यार क्या मतलब कि कितना प्रॉब्लम है। इन वहां से ट्रांजिशन हुई, वो एंगर फिर मेरे पे खुद पे शिफ्ट हो गया कि मुझे पर्सनली कुछ अचीव करना था जो मैं नहीं कर पाई, या क्या मैं स्लो जा रही हूँ। मुझे खुद पे बहुत गुस्सा आया। सो शाम के 6 बजे तक तो मैं गुस्से में रही। फिर मैंने थोड़ी ब्रीदिंग की और फिर वॉक पे चली गई। उसके बाद थोड़ा नॉर्मल हुआ। तो उसके बाद थोड़ा नॉर्मल हुआ, वापस आई। उसके बाद अगेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग द ब्रीदिंग एंड द ओम चैंटिंग। एट दैट टाइम व्हेन आई डिड द ओम चैंटिंग, for the first time ever I could feel my heartbeat in my left hand here. I don't know why. और 1 मिनट के लिए लगा मुझे मेरी बेटी, she was around me when I was chanting, मुझे लगा कि वो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं से छू रही है, ये उसकी शरारत कर रही है। when my eyes are closed, तो मैंने बीच में आंखें खोल के देखी तो nobody was around me. But I was continuous, it was a very hard sensation I could feel on my hand, जैसे कुछ धक 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 अंदर से कर रहा है। So that was the first ever, but मतलब first time I experienced something of this kind. एंड उसके बाद ना उस चैंटिंग के बाद एकदम से ही वन मेरी नेगेटिविटी खत्म हो गई, प्लस एकदम से मेरा एनर्जी लेवल बूस्ट अप हो गया। मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मैंने 3 दिन से खाया नहीं। आई वाज लाइक रनिंग अराउंड द हाउस, टॉकिंग इन माय नॉर्मल टोन।
Right.
एनर्जी मेरा बूस्ट हो गया। थर्ड, मेरे को एकदम से फोकस आ गया सर। सो आई फेल्ट समथिंग गाइडेड इन मी which told me what should be my next steps in terms of focus. तो फिर कल का सारा दिन एक तो I was happy I had fruits. So that contributed to my happiness. Second thing was कल का दिन I entirely spent on the thing which I had to focus on.
Very good.
Which made my even the yesterday last night when I slept, I was so peaceful while sleeping because मैं जो करना चाहती हूँ, जिस चीज से जुड़ना चाहती हूँ, वो मैं कर पाई सारा दिन। So these are my 2 days of experiences.
Very good. I'm happy with your progress, Mani, because I still remember initial days of our conversation and then ups and downs happening over the period of time. And now you're settling into something which actually should happen in your life. So that is taking place. So that's I'm really happy. And you took out time yesterday to focus what universe want you to focus. यूनिवर्स आपको तब तक परेशान करेगा जब तक आप इधर उधर भटकते रहोगे और अपने गोल पे नहीं आओगे।
कल तो मैंने ये था दिमाग में, अगर आ रहा है ना इसको व्हाट्सएप करके पूछ इसका क्या स्टेटस है, तो मैं तुरंत व्हाट्सएप कर रही थी कल तो। आई वाज बीइंग माइंडफुल टू दैट एक्सटेंट। सो
So you will slowly understand, guys, all of you, not only money, but that till the time you're distracted in life, till the time you're doing things which you're not really supposed are born to do, these jobs and these things, the family course, everything is aside. That's important, but that's not the purpose of your life. So, and if you're not living the purpose of your life, you will always be in that spiritual stress kind of a thing. And then because you are in that stress mode, you will have diseases, you will have problems and troubles because you're not doing what you were supposed to be doing. Just imagine, there's an employee in a company and he's not doing his job, but doing a rest of the other things and saying, I'm doing so much of work. But you were sent for a purpose. And that is when I say, ask universe, what is the purpose of your life? And don't be distracted. Even 1 hour a day, just spend for yourself. That's more than enough initially. Then slowly you will understand how I can turn my passion into my profession in this commercial world we are living in, so that you have that fulfillment at the end of your journey that I achieved something. Okay. So I want all of you to pay really good attention to all these things. Thank you, Mani. Thank you for sharing the experience. Yeah. Next person, who is it? That was very, very deep. Hope some of you are able to relate with Mani saying, and she's really transitioning because she's hopefully finding her purpose slowly, not immediately, but things will come. She has to continue asking. Who else has got something interesting? Tell me. So just try to meditate on what I'm saying and will work. Ajay wanted to say something. I'll unmute Ajay. Yes, Ajay, go ahead.
Namaskar, Suji.
Namaskar.
The same issues I faced a couple of days back. I think I told you when I was there in Shavasana, so I feel some kind of jerk, So I think there's a negative thought just coming up from the body. Ramesh, don't have to worry about it. And just want to convince that we have faced the same issues in previous session, and it's fine now. It's slowly it will reduce it. So that will help. That is the fears. But I can say that fears are going out from his body.
Ajay, how are you able to get over this medical fear? Because a lot of people have that कि मैं तो इतने सालों से मेडिसिन खा रहा हूँ, and then अचानक छोड़ देते हैं, इससे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है.
मैंने भी 10 साल तो खाया. 11 में शुरू किया था मैंने, so 20 में छोड़ा है. तो I mean, although it was only one pill, so it was not affecting much, but मतलब 10 साल से जो हम खा रहे, 10 साल से जो खा रहे थे हम, उसका तो fear था ही. Plus, you'll have to fight by your own. I mean, everybody will say you continue. Doctor will say you continue. Your family will say you continue. What happened if you stop it? But it is your fight. It's your fight. You have battle. You have to fight it. You have to convince your mind. You have to convince your body that you're going to fight.
Hope that helps for everyone and not only for Ramesh. Till the time, guys, you're not gonna take your responsibility. I don't just write it without a reason in my PPT 5 times. Take your responsibility. Take your responsibility. In yoga, I've learned it. In mountains, I've learned it. In life, I've learned it. Just take your responsibility. Till the time you're dependent on anybody, even your husband and wife, this is not the purpose you were born here. Okay. So yes, you have got family relations, you respect them and all, but you are unique. You have a separate purpose than your family members. Okay. So you have to take your responsibility. No doctor will ever come and save you. No doctor can come. So stop doing it. And the moment you take your responsibility, universe blesses you with a lot of courage and abundance to grow in life and do things which you had never thought are ever possible for you because you took your responsibility. Out of 100%, like if there are 99% of the people do not take their responsibility. So you have to be in that 1%. For that, you have to do something, right? It's not going to be easy. All right. Anybody else has got any questions? Yes, Mahima, go ahead. Bolo, bolo.
Sir, I have noticed that my breathing has slowed down. Generally. Like previously, it was very shallow. But with the breathing, my pace of work has also slowed down. पहले मैं बहुत भाग भाग के इधर उधर जल्दी काम करती थी, वो भी धीरे हो गया.
Very good.
एंड यस उससे पे बहुत कंट्रोल आ गया है थोड़ा, बिकॉज यस्टरडे एक ऐसा सिचुएशन था जिसमें मुझे बहुत आउटबर्स्ट होता मेरा, लेकिन I was surprised, my kids were surprised कि मम्मी कुछ बोली नहीं, so that is a positive thing I have seen.
So good. Are you able to understand why that breathing slow करने से life का pace भी slow हो गया? Life का pace में positive way slow हो गया.
I think stress has come down.
है ना? क्योंकि how much is your breathing rate, Mahima, right now?
अगर consciously करती हूँ तो it goes to around sometimes 8-9 इनका, बाहर का थोड़ा सा कम रहता है, 1 कम रहता है उससे, but otherwise I think it's around 4-5 वैसे ही है normally.
है ना? So that is the reason. जब मैंने अपने lungs को expand करना शुरू कर दिया, slowly, now गुब्बारा फैल गया ना, पहले वो बंद था, अब वो बड़ा हो गया. Now unconsciously भी it will be more than the earlier. तो पहले अगर 1-2 सेकंड unconsciously होता तो 3-4 आराम से होगा वो, और 24 घंटे होगा. तो 24 घंटे में जो भी स्ट्रेस आ रहा है मेरे शरीर के अंदर, it's again like cooling system. Breathing is a cooling system for the body, air conditioning. नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस आ रहा है तो बॉडी को हीट अप करेगा. प्राणायाम से ऑक्सीजन जाएगा, इट इज गोना कूल अप. ब्रीदिंग इन इज कूलिंग एयर, ब्रीदिंग आउट इज हॉट एयर, राइट? So that is reducing a lot of your body stress. And then उसकी वजह से आपको, you're not really panicking all the time because now your body is more in homeostatic condition, equilibrium में है वो ज़्यादातर टाइम compared to पहले का average. So hope everybody is understanding what we are trying to achieve in next few weeks and months in our life. If you continue these practices, a lot of new things will evolve which you have never even thought while joining the program. Okay, and this is only going to increase. Your awareness is only it's only going to increase. And then once your awareness increases, your consciousness increases, you have better control in every situation of your life, not only the physical health, I'm saying. Okay, so just surrender, continue techniques, regularity, repetition, rhythm. That's the golden key for you. Even अगर आप किसी भी मेरे आगे कोर्स में नहीं आते हो, आप ये जो अभी सीख रहे हो वही करते हो ना लाइफ टाइम, तो भी आप खुश रहोगे, स्वस्थ रहोगे. Getting it? So this is what I have taught you in last 30 days, and next 1 week we're going to learn. This is so powerful, guys. Okay, thank you, Mahima. Thank you for sharing that. And now Mahima has been studying with me last 6 months, so she has understood what I'm trying to say and has been just blindly doing things. That is why she's able to reach a level where she's doing good in Shavasana. She's able to experience that out of body experience. She's able to feel the lungs even behind the back and all other areas, because she is consistently doing that, the only thing. And these simple things only. अभी तक मैंने उनको कोई ना सूर्य नमस्कार कराया है, ना सिर के बल खड़ा होना सिखाया, कुछ नहीं कराया. But what I've asked her, just do these simple things on a daily basis. That's it. Just imagine, once she will be getting really active on a Surya Namaskar kind of a thing, once she will be standing on her top of the head probably one day, where will she reach? Okay, because they are very, very high intensive practices and they raise your consciousness like boom. But are you ready? That's the question.